Hey everyone, this is Steve from OpenBOM. In today's video I'd like to take you through some important updates to the August 2020 release of OpenBOM for Solidworks. Specifically in the way that we find and update items from your Solidworks assembly that are already stored in OpenBOM. So let's go ahead and get started. I've created a bill of material for this wireless router already, or I'm in the process, and I've got the top and the bottom. I'm just getting ready to bring in the circuit board. And in my design, I've just added the screws. In other words, I've just added 4 screws, and I want to go ahead and update the BOM. Now, at my company, we keep screws in a catalog called hardware. I know that this is a new item in OpenBOM, so I've opened the SolidWorks part, and I'm going to save this part to the hardware catalog. And I do that just simply by using the OpenBOM save item command, and selecting the hardware catalog and saving this to hardware. Okay, so what we see now is over in our hardware catalog, we have a new item. It is the 8011, the screw that we just saved. So, okay, so that's done. I can go ahead and close that part in SolidWorks. And I'm come back to my top level assembly, and I'm going to do the same thing with the circuit board. We have a catalog that we use for circuit boards called PCBAs, and I'm going to go ahead and save this into the PCBA catalog. I'm going to do a little type ahead there and pick it from the list, PCBAs, and go ahead and update that. And we'll see now that the PCBA catalog now has an extra item in it. That will be for the circuit board. Okay, so what we have now is a design in SolidWorks that has some parts in one OpenBOM catalog, the hardware. I'm going to press this one. It has a circuit board in another one, and then it has all the rest of them in our default catalog, which is called SolidWorks items. So I just want to go ahead and you see I've got my circuit board now. BOM needs a little bit of work. I'm going to go ahead and use the BOM command right here and update my bill of material. I see that my default catalog is wireless router, and I'm going to update the W26 BOM. That's exactly what I want. And let's go ahead and update that and see what we get. Okay, so our new bill of material now should have all 4 items, all the proper information, and we can double check by looking at our parts and catalogs list that OpenBOM has automatically assigned both the hardware and the PCBA catalog to our BOM, and that's because we specified which catalog this particular hardware and that PCBA is supposed to come from. So if we just do a little reality check here, we can check that piece of hardware. We can see that it's in the hardware catalog, and we can check our circuit board and see as well that it's in the PCBA catalog. So that's so the update here is to be sure to use the use the save item command when you're working in a part, and then when you save it to a particular catalog. When you get back to the top level, go ahead and click BOM, and we will automatically now go through and find the proper catalogs, those proper catalogs, and update them for you. I hope you found that useful. We always like to hear from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.